go, intensity, pick it up. Push fast. Go. Push. Keep your knees low, back straight. Come on, power, 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 let's go.
If you are what you
go,
say,
go, fast crawl, meet in the middle. Crawl out, 5 squats.
Then have no fear.
Deep squats, chest up. Go, crawl, meet in the middle. Come on, go. Straight into your push-up.
If you are what you
go,
say,
crawl, go.
A superstar.
Get back, squat, go, let's go. Get your body temperature up, let's get more. Come on, let's push. Second part of your workout, let's go. Complex, get it done. Row, push up, dips.
A fresh young Lou trying to cash his microphone check. 2 1 2. Wanna believe my own hype, but it's too untrue. The world brought me to my knees. What if you brung you? Did you improve on the design? Did you do something new? Where you naming on the guest list? Who brung you? You, the more famous person, you come through, and the sexy lady next to you, you come too. And then the hitman standing outside of heaven, waiting for God to come and get me. I'm too uncouth, unschooled to the rules, and too gumshoe. Too much of a newcomer and too uncool. Like Shadow in the field, I battle with it well. So I need a holiday like Lady Who's Sun Blue.
Come on, you
go
shouldn't
back,
be stopping.
whatever
You
you
should
did,
be
you
on the
undo.
ground.
Heavy as heaven, the devil on 2 tons too.
Go. Get off your
say you are a superstar, then have no fear.
Being physically strong is like a mental game. You've got to push yourself. Get uncomfortable. Get in the grind and work. All we're doing is shifting your own body. Wait till we get there on the weights floor and start making shift weights for you.
Can burn holes through the stage, down through the basement, past the Indian graves where the dinosaurs laid, and out through China. This is Carolina's magnified ×5. This is pointing at the rhyme of ricochets off the motor since the force plays.
You're lost in the last 10 minutes. You gotta give me an extra 10 minutes. Let's go.
We wanted to break, meaning we wanted to grow, meaning we wanted to stay. Like the governor called and he told him to wait. Unstrapped from the chair, put him back in his cage.
Don't turn around and run.
The audience ain't phased, then they ain't gonna clap and they ain't gonna praise. They want everything back that they paid, cause they've been waiting since Tennessee the lights get dim. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear.
I want the first steps hard. As soon as they start the back pedal, put the pressure on.
Cause I've been standing in this line for like 5 whole days. Me and security ain't getting along. And when I got to the front, they told me all of the tickets were gone. So just take me home. When the moon is mellow, when the roses are blown, M&M's are yellow, when the light bulbs around my mirror don't flicker. Everybody gets a nice autograph picture. One for you and one for your sister. Who had to work tonight but is an avid listener. Every song's a favorite song and mics don't feedback. All of you will say you need to go and see that. And everybody claps cause everybody is pleased, and then they all take the stage and start performing for me.
Treat it like the last 2 minutes of a game. Intensity, intensity, intensity.
If you are what you say you are,
come on, put the pressure on.
Then have no fear.
Get it playing, let's go.
And the microphones and they wanna know.
Come on, those boys spring to the front. Give them someone to chase.
If you are
always chase the person in front of you.
A superstar.
Go, boys, chase them.
No fear. The crowd is here and the lights are on and they wanna show.
Come on, push the pace up that hill. Go, 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 go. Overtake them if they're too slow.
What you say?